Hi everybody, good Tuesday morning to meteorologist Travis Kleneski enjoying a nice sun-filled start to our morning as clouds and showers are off to our northeast. You see counterclockwise spin over northwest Iowa this morning. That is an area of low pressure. There's actually a front that's attached to that extends back up into South Dakota and North Dakota, a cold front that's going to be moving our way later on today. Meanwhile, a little bit of a light breeze out of the west and northwest this morning at around 10 to 15 miles per hour. That wind's going to pick up speed today. Watch the arrows. They start to move a little faster, and they'll be out of the northwest today. And late this afternoon, as that cold front approaches, and I don't have it drawn on here, but it'll be making its way southward through the area and probably close to the Nebraska-Kansas border by the end of the afternoon. That front coming through, a couple of hit or miss showers, isolated thunderstorms not out of the question later on today. It's not a great chance. Some models have it, some don't. I put the chance at about a 20% chance, maybe a little higher in northeast Nebraska. We'll keep that chance going into the evening hours. I'm going to take this out very slowly here. And again, maybe just a few rogue thunder showers popping up late this afternoon. Winds might calm down a little bit, although around some of those thunder showers, we might get some gusty winds and maybe some small hail. Don't expect any severe weather with these, but there is that chance of maybe some tiny hail. Pea-size hail, things like that, maybe dime-size hail, and then also, again, those stronger winds. Later in the night, the chance of rain starts to disappear mainly after midnight tonight. We'll be looking at mostly clear skies to partly cloudy skies later in the night, and winds will be a little lighter later on tonight as well. Now, as we get into tomorrow, maybe a few clouds earlier, otherwise mostly sunny skies. Now, again, that cold front coming through today, a little cooler tomorrow. Not cold or anything like that, but a little cooler and maybe a little bit of a breeze out of the north. During the afternoon, that might be just a little strong 10 to 20 mile per hour winds. Towards the end of the day, you notice some clouds out towards the west. Those clouds will spread eastward Wednesday night, and in fact, after midnight, there is going to be a chance of some light showers. The better chance will come in on your Thursday. So, temperature-wise today, we're looking at temperatures that'll be topping out mid to upper 60s and lower 70s. Coolest north, warmest in the south. Very close to our average high for this time of the year. Overnight temperatures dipping back into the upper 30s, mid to upper 30s, low to mid 40s, maybe just a little cooler than this morning. Then as we get into tomorrow, a cooler day as well with highs in the low to mid 60s. That's a little bit below average, but overall not a terrible day out there. It's not going to be warm or anything like that, but a mild day and again, a little bit of a north breeze, but we do enjoy a decent amount of sunshine. Now, as we get towards tomorrow night, not quite as chilly as tonight, but still 40s, low to mid 40s for overnight lows. Thursday, again, that chance of rain returning to the area. Right now, it looks like the best chances might be over the eastern and northern part of the viewing area. We're going to go with highs in the 50s and 60s. Warmer, I think, the farther southwest that you go on your Thursday. Well, we kind of talked about that forecast. Let's look at it in the next 3 days here. Again, plenty of sun the next couple of days. That small chance of rain late this afternoon after 4 p.m. into the evening hours. Wednesday, more sunshine, and then Thursday, that chance of rain returning in a little cooler. All 3 days going to be breezy. I would say today probably the strongest winds. You could almost call it windy, in fact. And then as we look towards the rest of the forecast, breezy almost every one of those days there. Sunshine returns on Friday, but a cooler day Friday. In fact, probably cold enough that we might have to watch for a little bit of frost Friday morning. That's something worth watching. And in fact, each one of those mornings beyond Friday also maybe the potential for a little bit of frost. Partly cloudy skies on your Saturday, a slight chance of rain Saturday afternoon and evening. I don't think we'll see a lot, maybe some thunder, but again, I'm not expecting much moisture, but that's with another cold front that comes southward. So it'll be cooler again on Sunday. And then as we look towards Monday, cooler yet as another disturbance comes southward into our area, bringing another chance of rain. And some models do keep us much colder. I'm going 52. I'm only seeing a few forecast models that are much warmer than that, but a few forecast models that are actually chillier in the 40s for highs. And if that's the case, then you have to start watching, especially during the earlier morning hours when it's a little colder, for a few snowflakes to mix in. Now, while not in my forecast for the Tri-Cities, some models have it, especially the farther northwest you go in the local 4 viewing areas towards the Sandhills of Nebraska. So that's where we may have to watch for some flakes to fly. Most models are not very aggressive with snowfall accumulation because really you have to get a heavy snow to get much snowfall accumulation. I'm not saying that all forecast models are leaning away from it, but the chances are very slim of actually accumulating snow. That said, I'm not going to completely rule it out, but the chance is unlikely. That's where we're at right now here. So if anything, might see some flakes fly there around the 10th or the 11th of May, something worth watching. Long-range trends show that we are going to be mostly below average over the next 7 to 10 days. Again, near average today, close to it Saturday, and then maybe at the end of next week or on the 14th, it looks like we may start to trend a little bit warmer by next the 14th, or what day is that? That's the next Thursday, and then beyond that, we may start to see a warmer weather pattern return to our area. And some long-range forecast models hint at maybe a little more severe weather down the road as we get past the 15th of May here. We'll see. That's a long ways out yet. It's a way too far out to try to figure out severe weather chances when you're talking severe weather this time of the year. But again, at least for the next 7 to 10 days, the foreseeable future, most of those days will be on the cool side out there, and some cooler than others. And again, like I said, watching next Monday, would not be surprised if we have to trend that 52 degrees down a little more here, and maybe trend towards the 40s for high temperatures. Happens sometimes this time of the year. It's not pleasant, but it does happen. So with that, I'm going to let you all go. Thanks for watching. I appreciate it. We'll talk to you all again on Wednesday morning. Until then, take care and God bless. Bye.